Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing tools and doing a short, controlled partial thaw so you can separate the frozen ground beef. Use microwave defrost for 1 to 3 minutes or run the sealed package under cold water until edges soften, then remove ice. Once the outer layer is pliable, cut or pry off hand-size portions, keeping the interior still cold to prevent bacteria growth. Make sure to work quickly. You want meat workable but not fully thawed, because that speeds forming and preserves texture. You form patties gently, avoid overworking. Press a small dimple in the center so they cook flat. Preheat a heavy pan to medium-high and add a thin oil coat so patties release. Sear each side for about 3 to 4 minutes to build a crust, then reduce heat to cook through without burning. Once seared, cover briefly and monitor internal temperature with a thermometer. Aim for 160 degrees F. Make sure to flip only as needed and leave space, so steam escapes and browning continues. You finish by resting the patties 3 to 5 minutes so juices redistribute. Use that time to toast buns in the same pan for extra flavor. Assemble with your preferred condiments and add cheese on top while patties rest so it melts from residual heat. If a patty is undercooked, return it to a 350 degrees F oven for 5 to 8 minutes and recheck the temperature. If it turns out dry, revive with a swipe of butter, mayo, or a sauce. This is the quick troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.